boom, I'm back in the toy shed. I've done a little bit of research. I'm still undecided. I need to do a little bit more. Maybe I need some advice from you guys. Do we replace the rim? Do we get it re-chromed or what? But in this bit, I'm just going to check and have a look at the brakes to see what they're like. So it's fairly easy to do. We just undo this nut. Oh, that comes off easy. And hopefully this will just lift straight out. Oh, come off in my hand. Right, oh, yeah. Having a look at the brake shoes, it doesn't seem to be any contamination in there. However, see if I can give you a close-up of what these look like. So there's not an awful lot of use or wear on there. It looks like it hasn't been what's named. It looks like they've been replaced, but it hasn't been serviced, and they certainly don't look as though they've been used. So you just have a quick look around there. So there's hardly any use on there at all. Now let's have a look on the inside of the brake shoes. Oh. Just to give it a wipe round, see what it looks like on the inside here. Now it does say that you need a little bit of grease in there, and it doesn't look like there's an awful lot of grease been put in there. Yeah, that doesn't feel like there's any contamination in there other than what I've got on my finger. so I'm just having a quick squint around there. That looks all right to me. So what I think I'll do with the brakes, this is the front brakes by the way, we'll just give us a bit of a nice little clean up, make sure that it's all nice and clean, and before I put it back on the bike, I'll do the little service type thing and just put some just a little smear of grease into there, into the bearing that the book says. So yeah, just looking at this, the brakes look fine. So they just need a little bit of a clean up, maybe just a little bit of a scuff up with a what's name. So we'll just clean the outside of that off, because that's all covered in grease and oil and all manner of stuff. So we'll just wipe all that off, and I think that's a result, because I don't think I need to replace them at all. I just need a little bit of maybe wet and dry, maybe just a smidgen of oil on the springs, and a little bit of grease into the bearing, and they're good to go. So I'm going to pop that back on there for now. That can go back on there for now. So I'm now going to go and carry on with the research to see about what we're going to do with the rims. So just tighten up. Just do that finger tight. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you've got any tips that I could use, because you know I'm new to this, and I'm going by, look, I've even got the book, got the Haynes, the Haynes Owner's Workshop Manual. So I'm going to be working to that. So if there's any help or advice that you can give me, gratefully received. So until I see you again, until the next one, TTFN, ta-ta for now.